Welcome back, my friends. Today we are reviewing a pill box, and this one comes with a nice storage case. So you go ahead, open this up just like this, and it's inside here. So you got Sunday through Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Each pill case has morning and evening, or however you want to put it. Pop it open just like that. Each pill case is separated by a wall divider. Each pill case can lock right back in. So overall, they're very nice. Great for a full week worth. And you can fit a lot of pills in each compartment too. So it's not like you only can put one pill in each one. You can put a lot of pills in them. Overall, it's nice. It's nice that it comes in a carrying case. Easy to put in your purse or in your vehicle or wherever you're at. Overall, very nice.